Good evening, everybody. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Friday, May 6th, 2022. It's around 6 p.m. and the temperature is 30 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I am walking across Anaurahta Road in downtown Yangon. Let's walk. As you can see, this is the Secretariat building. It is well decorated. This is a British colonial era building. As you can see, it's a nicely decorated building. Vehicles are moving across the road. Quite busy atmosphere now. This is the parking area of vehicle. As you can see, people are walking across the footpath beside the Secretariat building. What a beautiful scenic view of the Secretariat building. This is a British colonial era building. Vehicles are moving, maintaining the traffic signals and rules, as you can see. This is Anaurahta Road in downtown Yangon. The sun already set. Lights are on now. Cleaners are cleaning the garbage, as you can see. People are walking in the evening, as you can see. This is the Myanmar Tri-Show. It's a busy atmosphere now. As you can see on the right side, this is a neighborhood at Sheikh Kanthar Road. There are some vehicles and also Myanmar Tri-Show. As you can see, this is a street market. There are lots of vendors on both sides of this street. They are selling various kinds of stuffs such as fish, meat, fruit, vegetables, etc. People are buying their daily necessary products while walking across this road. As you can see, this is dry fish stall. Some eggs, onion and potatoes, cooking oil, some fruits, and some fish here. It's quite bustling atmosphere now. People are buying their daily necessary stuffs. This is green leaves and vegetable store. You can get carrot, brinjal and other green leaves here. As you can see, this red color building is a church for Christian community. This is Telugu Methodist Church for Christian community. This is a neighborhood beside Sheikh Kanthar Street. As you can see, this is chicken meat stall. Some fish, hilsha fish and roe fish and prawns are available here. As you can see over there, There is a food stall where people are buying street food and eating, sitting beside the footpath. As you can see, they are enjoying eating street food with friends and family. As you can see, this is a street food stall. As you can see over there, there are some plastic products stall. You can get various kinds of plastic products here. On the right side, this is green leaves and vegetable stall. As you can see on the right side, there are some accessories store, mobile phone accessories store. On the right side, this is a sandal store. This is a handbag and bag store. As you can see on the right side, this is a clothing store. There are lots of mobile phone accessories store, as you can see. Some street food stall. Laptop and mobile phone store on the right side. As you can see, this is laptop and mobile phone store. People are buying laptop and mobile. It's really a busy evening now. This is downtown Yangon. A man is selling spectacles, as you can see. On the right side, this is ice cream stall. You can get various ice cream here. On the right side, this is clothing and sandal and shoes store. This is the center point of Yangon, downtown Yangon. As you can see, quite traffic jam now. As you can see on the left side, that is Sule Pagoda, the iconic landmark of Yangon city. People are crossing the road carefully. This is evening atmosphere in downtown Yangon. As you can see on the right side, that is a pharmacy. This is shoe stall. On the right side, this is fast food stall, as you can see. There are various types of shops beside the footpath. Now I am walking across the footpath beside Anauraha Road in downtown Yangon. As you can see, people are walking beside the footpath. As you can see on the right side, this is Tamil Hindu restaurant. You can get South Indian food here. As you can see on the right side, this is a restaurant named Shuitu Restaurant. On the right side, this is a fruit stall. People are enjoying evening walk. That's it from today's video. Hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.